This is our 1967 Plymouth Barracuda Formula S 383 4-speed convertible. When I got the car about 2.5 years ago, I contacted Chrysler Historical and got the build card, so I knew every option that came with the car. So this car has basically been restored back to factory original. This car is the dark blue metallic color, known as EE1. Chrysler only painted about 3% of their cars that year with this color. It also has the blue convertible top. It was funny, when I first got this car, it came with a black top. I knew by the fender tag and the build card it was supposed to be a blue top. I called around to the top companies and no one knew that they did make a blue top. And so I found a gentleman that had the only copy of the 1967 trim color book apparently, and was able to send him samples and get it matched to the color swatch in his book, so that's how I know it's the right color. This car has the 383 engine, which had 280 horse. One reason why they made just a few of those cars was because of the right or driver's side exhaust manifold problems that they had. So this car actually only had a half-year production run. This is the original engine that came with the car. I have recently restored it to include the original distributor and also have the original Carter carburetor by number that came with this car. One of the things you see here is the Deluxe Chrome wheel covers. It was very hard to find any wheel cover that didn't have the road rash. So basically it took me 4 sets of hubcaps to make one set for this car. This car came with the dark blue interior. It's a 4-speed without a console. That's how it came. One of the options for 1967 only for the big block Barracuda GTXs type cars was what they called the recall wheel. This was a very hard to find steering wheel, but I was able to locate one and get it restored and put on the car. 3 other cars came down the line early at Chrysler. All the cars were blue on blue on blue, like this car with the same options. And they sent them to the bigger car shows in LA, Chicago, Dallas, and New York. This car went to New York. Spent its entire life up in the New York area until we moved it back to Kansas. We take it to a lot of car shows because this is one opportunity chance to see a car like this. And that's what makes us happy to be an owner of this car.